Are you a reseller who is tired of listing items that you've probably had sitting around at home for months and months at a time? Or maybe you're sick and tired of just having to sit and play that waiting game for an item to sell and then you get paid. Well, this video is for you because I am going to break down my top reasons for selling on Facebook Live. Instead of solely focusing on third-party sites like eBay, Mercari, or even Poshmark. And maybe at the end of this video, you may decide that adding Facebook Live would be a great option for your reselling journey. So hello, my name is Corinne Duclosel. I am the founder of Thrifting Atlanta, which is one of the premier Facebook communities devoted to the love of thrifting. I founded the group back in 2011. So we have celebrated close to over 14 years in the thrift loving industry. Now, back in 2020, during the height of the pandemic, I came up with the idea of selling on Facebook Live to my Facebook community. Here I am, a group of at that time, we had over 50,000 members in our group. And we were itching to go thrifting, but due to the pandemic, we could not go thrifting. We were stuck inside. So what we eventually started doing was, of course, going through our closets, purging items. We would post pictures in the group, and that really is when the light bulb went off. I thought this would be a great way for us to clear out our closets, make some extra money, especially during COVID when a lot of people were being laid off from work. So it was really a great opportunity to make some extra money. And here we are, almost 6 years later, and it is still growing strong. So in this video, I want to really discuss the top reasons why maybe you should consider adding Facebook Live selling to your reselling journey. So the number one reason for selling on Facebook Live is getting paid the same day. So when I go live to my Facebook community, I'm on the live for at least an hour. I show the items, the customers claim the items. The system that I use is called Loyal Shops. So when the customer claims the item, they are notified in their Facebook Messenger, and that is where their cart kind of starts building. So every time they claim an item, it's added to their shopping cart. So they're able to check out at any time during the live. Whenever they're ready to check out, they check out, I get paid, and then I'm able to ship the item to the customer. Now, if you think about other selling sites, you have to list the item, which includes taking pictures, writing out descriptions, posting that item on that selling platform. And then what do you have to do? You have to sit and wait, hoping that your listing gets across to the right customer. And then you have to wait to get paid, right? For some of the platforms, the customer has to get the item first, and then they release the funds to you. Now with Facebook Live, you are able to get paid almost immediately. And this really works well for my business because, again, I am considered like a volume seller. So I'm able to go through, at minimum 30 items or more during one of my live sales. So that way, what I love doing is sourcing. So by being able to get through a lot of that inventory, it does allow me to go out again and source for some new items to do another live sale. Now, for items that do not sell during the live sale, I list those items on my website. So to kind of give you an idea of the process, when I go sourcing and I return back home here in my office slash closet, I input my items into my Shopify website. So I list each item, I put the description, I put the price point, I put the weight of the item. And then after I do that, I host my live sale. So items that do not sell during the live sale, since they are listed in my Shopify, all I have to do now is to take a picture to add that picture to the listing. So this also allows me to have a very vibrant, fresh website, something that I own. I'm not relying on those third-party sites to sell my inventory, because we all know things happen. Some of these sites come and go, but your website, that is your real estate. I like to call it my real estate that I own. So again, number one reason is to get paid sooner. So my reason number two for selling on Facebook Live instead of just solely selling on those third-party sites is that it is a faster turnover, and that equals fresh inventory. Because I am a volume seller, I'm able to really push through that inventory on a Facebook Live. So that means my inventory stays fresh. Styles are not just sitting around getting stale. And most importantly, my house does not have a whole bunch of inventory just sitting around waiting to be listed. We call that the death pile. So Facebook Live selling supports a faster turnover model. Instead of sitting around and waiting for the right buyer to see that listing, and that sometimes could take weeks, sometimes months later, I am moving inventory in real time, and that allows me to keep things moving forward. Now, the number three reason is that I access my money quicker because I don't have to sit around and wait. Some of these platforms, you have to wait until the customer gets the item before you get paid. And I don't know about you, but I like to get my funds or have access to my funds very, very soon, because that allows me to reinvest into my business. It allows me to go sourcing again to get some more inventory. And I can scale my business without having to borrow money or to wait. My money isn't tied up in limbo. I sell, I get paid, and I keep my business moving forward. Now, one of the other reasons why I love doing Facebook Live selling is because I can sell the story of the item. A picture can only do so much, but actually showing the item on the live, using my personality, trying on the item, it really gets to that customer. They get to see it. They get to see me put it on. I'm able to share the story of this item, give them styling tips. It's really not just about selling the clothes. I'm selling the confidence. I'm selling clarity. And it's also another way to connect with my audience. And that is something that pictures on a site cannot totally replicate. My other reason for loving selling on Facebook Live instead of selling on those third-party sites where you have to list your items is that I'm selling to my audience, to my community, to people that know me, people that trust me, people who love my style, people who love my finds. I'm not selling to an algorithm. So Facebook Live selling, you're building that community. You're building your credibility, people who know you, people who trust you, who keep coming back week after week. Also, I'm not competing with other, thousands of listings that are listed on these third-party sites. I'm not fighting the algorithm. What I'm doing as a Facebook Live seller is really building relationships. Relationships convert much faster than search results. Now, this has to be this should have been like the number one reason. Listing burnout. Live selling eliminates taking tons of photos, measuring every single item, writing those long descriptions, cross-posting across platforms, and there's many, many more that I don't have time to talk about. So with the Facebook Live, I show the item once, I sell it, and I'm able to move on. The other beauty about Facebook Live is that your shoppers can watch the replay of the live. So if they miss you while you're live, they can watch the live replay at any time when it's convenient for them. And with the system that I use, if they claim an item on the replay, guess what? They're going to get an invoice. So that I don't even have to send them an invoice. They're going to automatically get an invoice as long as that item is available. My next reason for, selling on Facebook Live instead of solely selling on, like a Poshmark or eBay is that community creates consistent sales. Okay? Live selling is about a shopping experience. People show up to hang out, to chat, and to shop together. It's almost like, like a mob, how they had those mobs that would come in and shop with that one retail store. That's essentially what a live sale is. You have a group of people who come together to shop with you. So that sense of community, it builds repeat buyers, which makes income more predictable and less stressful.